Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to unbox this Belkin 12 watt 2.4 amp 6 plugs, as you can see on the pictures here. And then it features 2 meter 6.6 feet wire and supports up to 650 joules. And so if anything happens, Belkin is gonna pay for MYR 1000 or SGD 4000 or HKD 20,000 for any connected equipment warranty. So this thing comes with 2 years of warranty. So it's a Belkin 6-way Surge W/2 USB BSB 604SI. So it's basically a fancy extension plug, multiple plug, Surgeplus, and then USB surge protection. Nothing on the side here. Then on this back here it says charges tablet, smartphone, other USB devices, and it protects DVD player, gaming console, speakers, and other medium-sized appliances. Anything else on the bottom? Not really. And on the back it says it features recessed power switch, protection indicator, damage resistant housing, 2.4 air universal USB parts, and so extends the life of your electronics. So there's a hard working MOV metal oxidized varistors inside this surge protector, absorb damaging excess energy and release it as a heat. So it also maintains data integrity, so power filtration reduces interference to keep your system running at optimal performance. So it also features smarter, safer design. Additional safety features are designed to minimize the risk associated with using electrical power. So it has fiberglass MOV covers, which help contain or smother fire if a large surge causes the MOV to ignite, and complete with 3-line protection, and it keeps appliances safe against surges that occur between hot, neutral, and ground lines. So as you can see here, like what I mentioned on the front package just now, it says Belkin will replace or repair any equipment damaged by a surge spike or a lightning strike while properly connected to our surge protector up to HKD 20,000. So it includes the USB surge protector, blah blah, everything is the same. So without further ado, let's open that up. Very simple. That's all, with nothing else in the box. Some sort of warranty, and then here is the plug itself. Very big switch, feels nice to push. And then two USB 2.4 air 6 plugs, and here is the indicator of protected and not grounded. So whenever it's protected, it will light up here. And plastic body, not sure what is this, but it could be designed for a wedge or something. And then the very thick wire here, I think it's 2 meter or 2.5, yeah, 2 meter in length, but it's very thick, as you can see. And then also the standard plug. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. I got this for 139 during promotion, and catch you guys next time. Bye bye.